This tiny village hides one of France's brightest treasures. Zoom out. Europe, France, Aveyron. Drop a pin on Conques, a medieval jewel tucked in a green valley. I'm taking you to a place so small you can cross it in minutes, yet it's been famous for 1,000 years. Conques sits on the Camino de Santiago, the ancient pilgrimage route. Pilgrims still walk these cobblestones to the Romanesque Abbey Church of Sainte-Foy, where a golden jewel-covered reliquary glows like fire in the dark. Start at the Abbey. Look up at the Last Judgment tympanum above the door, hundreds of carved figures, heaven on one side, chaos on the other. It's a stone comic book from the 1100s. Inside, light floods through modern stained glass by Pierre Soulages. Minimal, moody, powerful. Must see the treasury. The statue of Sainte-Foy is covered in ancient gold and gemstones. Odd, dazzling, unforgettable. Then wander. Half-timbered houses, flowered balconies, lanes with names like Rue Charlemagne. Don't miss the medieval bridge over the Dourdou River. Sunrise there feels like stepping into a painting. Secret spots. Hike up to the Belvedere du Banquerel for the postcard view. Slip into the cloister garden for quiet. Find the old gates, Porte du Barry, for a time warp walk back in. If you're collecting Camino stamps, the Pilgrims Welcome Office can mark your credential. Local bites you have to try. Aligot, silky mashed potatoes stretched with fresh cheese. Farceuse, savory charred fritters, perfect street snack. Tripou for the adventurous. Estofinado, a local stockfish dish. Sweet tooth? Gâteau à la broche, a mountain spit cake, and a slice of fouasse brioche. Pair it all with a glass from nearby Marcillac. Culture check. Say bonjour when you enter shops, it matters. Dress modestly and keep voices low in the church. Lunch hours are real. Many kitchens close mid-afternoon. Carry some cash. Small places may skip cards. When to come? Spring brings wildflowers and fewer crowds. Summer buzzes with pilgrims and evening organ concerts under the Abbey's glow. Magical, but busy. Autumn paints the hills gold and red. Winter is silent and beautiful, though some spots close. Whatever the season, wear good shoes. These stones are slick. And park outside the village. It's mostly pedestrian. Here's my perfect day. Sunrise at the bridge. Coffee on the square. Abbey and treasury mid-morning. Farceuse for lunch. Siesta by the Dourdou. Golden hour at the Belvedere. An evening organ concert to end under stars. If Conques just jumped onto your bucket list, tell me your must-see in the comments. Smash like, subscribe for more hidden gems, and share this with a friend who needs a tiny slice of medieval magic. See you on the next adventure.